The Nissan Armada has always been known for its power and spacious design, but the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. With a fresh redesign, a more modern interior, and a brand new twin-turbo engine, this SUV is ready to take on any challenge. Whether you're hauling the family around town or heading off the beaten path, the new Armada has you covered with more tech, comfort, and capability than ever before. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2025 Nissan Armada. From performance to luxury, let's see what this redesigned SUV brings to the table. First off, let's take a look at the design. The 2025 Armada keeps a familiar look, but it's definitely more modern. The front grille is wide and bold, paired with sleek, vertical LED headlights. You've got functional air curtains, an acoustic windshield, and even rain-sensing wipers for those unpredictable weather days. And on the sides, depending on the trim, you can roll with 18, 20, or even 22-inch wheels. The back of the SUV also gets some love, with vertical taillights connected by an optional illuminated strip. Now, when it comes to the inside, this thing is basically a step into the future. Borrowing from the luxury-focused Infiniti QX80, the new Armada's interior is light years ahead of the old model. Sure, the base model might feel a bit simple, but you still get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and seating for up to 8. That's leatherette seats, by the way, and power adjustments up front. If you want something a little fancier, higher-end trims offer some really cool features. We're talking 14.3-inch displays, open-pore wood trim, and quilted leather seats. You can even get heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats. For those sitting in the second row, there's an option for captain's chairs with a center console. And if you like natural light, there's a dual-pane panoramic moonroof available too. Under the hood, the Armada now has a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, pushing out 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. That's a nice little bump compared to the outgoing model. The engine is paired with a new 9-speed automatic transmission, which gives you quicker shifts, better acceleration, and improved efficiency. Whether you choose rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, the Armada has some serious capability, towing up to 8,500 pounds. And for the adventure seekers, there's the new Pro 4 X trim. This rugged version has some unique styling with black and lava red accents, plus 20-inch all-terrain tires. It's built for off-road fun with features like a clearance-maximizing front bumper, an electronic locking rear differential, and skid plates. The air suspension can raise the SUV by 2.1 inches for better clearance or lower it for easier entry. Safety is also a top priority with the 2025 Armada. You'll get Nissan's 360 Safety Shield, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, and rear cross traffic alert. Higher trims even come with ProPILOT Assist, which offers adaptive cruise control and lane centering. ProPILOT Assist 2.1 can even handle hands-free driving on certain roads. The 2025 Nissan Armada definitely brings more to the table, whether you're into performance, luxury, or off-road capability. With the new twin-turbo V6, enhanced safety features, and that rugged Pro 4 X trim, there's a lot to love about this big SUV. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the new Nissan Armada in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive updates. See you next time.